Good morning, class. I am so glad that you're here with us this morning with me. We've only got 2 calendar pages that we're going to do this week. So this is the first one. It's Monday. Let's go ahead and pull out our calendar and see what today's day is. So today, we've got chilly on there. I think we'll change that to not snowy. Let's change it to sunny. We'll be hopeful. See what today's going to be. So we've got Monday, April 27. We are almost into May. Into this week, we will be into May. Okay, go ahead and trace your April. April. And remember, it was 27, so we're going to do 2, 20. And then 7, start right next to your 2, slide right, angle down. April 27. And then our year is 2020. So 20, 20, nice and neat. 20. Make sure you don't have any floating zeros or floating 2s, that we're all top to bottom, nice and neat. That looks really good. Okay, so we have for April, here's our digital date. We have what number do we use for April? We've got January, February, March, April. 4. Okay, so down and across and down again. We've been using that 4 all this month. So 4 for April, and today's date is 27. Means we're going to make some big equations today. So 2, 7, 27. And then remember, our year is the last number, the last 2 digits together, so 2020. So 4, 27, and our year is 20. Good job. All right, we have been in school for, okay, our numbers are getting really big. We only have about 6 more weeks of school, and then it's kindergarten graduation. We're starting to plan that. I'm excited. That's going to be lots of fun. Celebrate all of your hard work and being big first graders. That's awesome. Okay, so we have our 100. We're going to count by tens. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is 100. Okay, so now we are going to count the tens. These are each 10. So we'll count on starting at our 100. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Now we're going to count on. We have 1. So 151. Wow, that's how many days we've been in school. That is a long time for us to be in school. So we've got our big 100. A nice gentleman 5, put his hat on. 151. So here's our hundreds place, our tens place, and our ones place. What number do we have in our, how many hundreds? We have 1. Here's our tens place. How many tens do we have? What number's in our tens place? 5. Do your gentleman 5. And then put his hat on. And then how many ones did we have? The little yellow ones. Just 1. There's 1 in the ones place. Okay. So days of the week. Yesterday we got to relax a little bit. Yesterday was Sunday. Good job. Today is first day of our work week. What day is it, class? Monday. Good job. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good. Okay, you've been doing a much better job, I've noticed, on your writing your day of the week really nice and neat. Good job on that. Okay, we're going to start at the bottom. Remember, this is the name of the day of the week, so nice and neat. It's going to be a capital letter to start. Dotted line, up again and down. Okay, there's our capital M. M-A-O. and it's dotted line to bottom line. N, in, m, un, d, top to bottom with the tummy facing your in, d. And then our two cool guys are hanging out at the end, A, which is A and Y. Monday, make sure that your lowercase are all under that dotted line, nice and neat. Your Y is going to swing below. Your D will be top to bottom for the part that's top to bottom with the tummy under the dotted line. Of course, your capital letters are always top to bottom. Very good. Okay, so what season are we in? We've been in this season, and the trees are looking so beautiful. It is spring, and summer is coming. I'm not going to color. I'm going to do my flower just kind of a blue and a white. You can get creative and do whatever you would like, just like that. Make it a pretty little blue and white daisy. Then I'm going to color part of my egg. So the next thing we're going to do, if you want to stop the video and just go ahead and work through this on your own, you can do your equations. And remember, for today, we are equaling today's day. So today's day is 27. So your equation down here, if you do it on your own, is 27. And you also need to remember that you need to ask moms and dads to check your work, just to make sure if you're doing it without me, and doing them all on your own, which I love. You know I love that. Just make sure that you ask your moms and dads to check your work. Okay, so I've got my bunny done, my season done. Now I'm going to do my equations. Okay, to help me in that, I'm going to use my number line, just right here. And I'm glad that we can see almost all of my numbers. I'll be able to slide it this way and that way, because we are going all the way up to 27. I'm going to do some addition because I want you to be able to see, you can almost see all of them in our picture. So our 1 is boop, right there at the end. So you'll be able to see the number I choose. I'm going to do an addition problem. So I'm going to start with 10. So I'll write my 10 down. So 10 plus, let's see how many. Remember, we're equaling 27. So we've got to go all the way up to 27 and count. How many more? So we start on 10. We don't count that star. We count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10 plus 17 equals 27. Okay, now I'm going to do a subtraction problem, which means I'm going to need to start with a number bigger than 27 because I want to come down the line to get to a smaller number. So I'm going to start with our big number, 30. We have 30. So 30 minus or take away, let's see how many to get to 27. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. So I'm taking away to equal 27. I'm starting with 30. 1, 2, 3. So 30 minus 3 equals 27. That's a good one. Okay, I'll do an addition problem. Again, we're going to equal 27. So I need to start with a number below so I can move up the line to equal 27. I think I'm going to start with 20. You can pick your own numbers too. These are just the numbers so that we keep reinforcing our addition and subtraction on the number line. Okay, so we're starting with 20. How many more to equal? We're going up to 27. So let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 20 plus 7 equals 27. There we go. Oh, you did such an amazing job today with me. Thank you so much for joining me this Monday morning. Hope you enjoy all your lessons this week. And I will see you at carpet time, or see you later. Bye, guys.